going on, everybody? We're out here camping in the woods, trying to reconnect with nature a little bit and figure out how to save you guys a little bit of money on overlanding stuff because it can get kind of expensive. We think we have a way. Look over at my headlights right here. They are faded halogen bulbs and they just happen to be like a little bit dirty. You know, it's not a good look and they don't throw light very well anymore. You know, we took some footage last night of something we thought we saw out there in the woods. I don't know. Okay, so here we are, night one. We have the halogen bulbs still, the old bulbs installed on the car. And we'll just, you know, give it a little prime example of what we can see out here with just these headlights on. What is that?
What is that?
What is that? I can't see.
I can't see it.
I can't tell.
What was that?
So weird. I don't know. What people normally do is they'll buy like a whole new aftermarket headlight setup, $300-400. You know, it works and it looks great, but it's kind of expensive. And our new friends at AUXITO over here think that they have a better way. These are AUXITO high quality LED light bulbs that will just go right in place of your original bulbs. So what I think we're gonna do is just clean up my headlights now, give them a little bit of polish, and throw these in there, and then hopefully we'll be able to show you guys just how much further this light can go, and how this might just be all you need. You don't need any extra pod lights, anything like that. Your headlights can do the work. Let's find out.
So in order to get this done, we brought a few extra little tools with us. Us being overlanders, we have a drill, we have all the polishing we need, polish, wet sand, and of course, ballpark rings.
Everything you need to
Get this done.
in the mountains. All right, so what's first?
We're gonna dip this. This is sandpaper. Get it nice and wet. And then we're gonna use nature. We're gonna use the dirt as sandpaper too. Get it nice like that. I love that. Next, we're gonna add some polish to our polisher. There we go, just like that. Get it in there like that. Wait a second. We're overlanding.
Okay. These are looking so much better now. Holy cow. Let's get those new bulbs in. Hot dogs are almost ready. Okay. So, got an old light polish. Let's get these bulbs out and we can compare them to the new ones. I got two hands. Okay, so the plug just comes straight out. Ooh, just like that. Then there's a little rubber housing. That pops out. And then there should just be a little clip. Pops out. Then the bulb comes out. Easy peasy.
All right, let's take a look at what's inside this box. Ooh, they even provide you with gloves.
That's fancy.
Never seen that before.
Jeez.
Instructions. And then here's the bell of the ball.
Sheesh.
Look at that, they have like little reflectors. Make sure the light output is right. I don't think I've ever seen this much R&D on an LED bulb, so let's get these out of this nice fancy box and let's install them.
Okay, guys. Oh, these are actually pretty cozy. I'm impressed. I've never gotten like, yeah, it's literally a white glove service with some LED bulbs. I'm kind of excited. Ooh. Nice kind gloves. Okay. Oh, they have some heft to them. They feel good. Just get them right back in here. I believe these tabs tell you exactly where they go. Oh. Okay. Then these clips should just go back on. They're sealed in. Just re-put the rubber cap on there and re-plug in. It's really that easy.
Plug and play.
Plug and play. Like it's so, yeah, you don't have to dismantle anything. Just clip, clip, snip, snip, and you're back in business. So we'll flip over to the other side, do that, and then next time you'll see us, it'll be nighttime again, and we'll, you know, give us a comparison to what we saw last night. Okay, we're back. It's the next night. We got the new lights in. Let's turn these on and see what we got.
What is that?
What is that?
What is that?
Oh God.
Oh, an HD. Ooh.
I don't know if we should be up here, man.
I saw that too well.
Yeah, that was it. That was way too close.
Oh.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, we survived. It's the next morning. We're done though. These lights though, guys, they are so good. Like they advertise about like 600% brighter than standard, and I think it hits the mark. I hope it shows up on the before and after that we showed, but they are properly bright, super high quality lights. You can tell like the build quality, the R&D that went into them. It's the best LED light bulb I've seen off the internet, and we've purchased quite a few LED light bulbs in our day off Amazon and stuff like that. And like this is leaps and bounds above. So check out the link down below and use code AutomoBros for 15% off. They have light bulbs for every make and model, I believe. Like you're covered, so you know, give it a look, see if there's something you like. Yeah, like thank you so much, AUXITO, for sending these over for us to try out. I love them. I love them. They're definitely staying in the car. I'm really excited about them, and yeah, we will see you guys in the next one.